In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop iPhone from asking for passcode whenever you're using your device. Even when you turn off your iPhone or restart it, your iPhone will stop asking for your passcode each time there is a need for it. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you're trying to stop your iPhone from asking you to use your Face ID or passcode to unlock your device is go to your iPhone settings. Then on the settings page, you want to scroll down until you get to Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode depending on your iPhone. Then click on that. Go ahead and type in your passcode. This is probably going to be the last time you'll be using passcode on your iPhone. Then scroll down, tap turn passcode off, click on that. Then you'll be prompted to confirm with your Face ID. Now if you are using security delay, go ahead and start security delay. This is going to last for 1 hour. So this is for security measure. This works each time you want to change password or disable passcode function on your iPhone. Go ahead and click on the done button. Once you hit the done button, come back here in the next 1 hour and click on turn off passcode. Then you'll be prompted to type in your last passcode and your passcode will be turned off, and henceforth, whenever you want to use your iPhone no longer asks you to use passcode or type in your passcode before you can access it. So this is how you can easily stop iPhone from asking for passcode on iPhone, either with Face ID or Touch ID. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.